Welcome to Polmont, where the train stops, but few people do. Today we're heading into Polmont Wood, looping around Millhall Reservoir, and trying to work out if spring has actually started, or just phoned it in again. Late March, still cold, still brown, but it's not raining sideways, so we'll take the win. Like and subscribe, if only to make this walk feel slightly more productive. We begin at the edge of the wood. The trees are mostly still in skeletal form. No leaves yet, just the odd bud pretending it's ready. The ground's soft, the air's damp, and you'll quickly realise your boots aren't as waterproof as you once claimed. There's a path underfoot, mostly. It forks a few times, but don't worry, every direction leads to the same conclusion, back to where you started, and slightly colder. This is a working woodland managed by the Woodland Trust, which means it's not manicured or overly precious. Fallen trees are left alone, and so are you, mostly. You'll pass the odd runner, 2 or 3 dogs doing laps without supervision, and maybe a pensioner with walking poles, who's moving twice your speed. Birdsong's picking up now, early spring types, a few robins, some blue tits, and one very confident blackbird you'll hear 3 times but never spot. Eventually you emerge at Millhall Reservoir. There's no dramatic reveal, just water, flat and wide, with reeds along the edge and a line of pylons in the distance, reminding you you're still in central Scotland. It now sits quietly while anglers scatter themselves along the shore in folding chairs, hoping for movement. There's a bird hide tucked away back in the trees. It's slightly functional, slightly damp inside, and ideal for sitting silently while pretending you're not just killing time. The reservoir is maintained by the Avonbank fishery, and someone's probably trimming something with a petrol strimmer somewhere out of sight. It's a still kind of place, not dramatic, not especially scenic, but quiet enough that you can hear your own breath and maybe remember what it's like to walk without a screen in front of you. So that's Polmont Wood and Millhall Reservoir in late March. Slightly bleak. No crowds, no soundtrack, just paths, trees, and the occasional gull circling overhead looking hopeful. Thanks for walking it with me. Like and subscribe if you made it this far without checking your phone.
What's real rises round the final bend, not held, not healed, just walking slow. Polmont Wood.